So I'm going to do a quick video setting up my Techno Isel Davinci to mill out a part real quick. First thing I'm going to do is measure my tool length. I have a simple program that does that on this XC609M Controller. The pound 106 just tells the P9001 program which routine I'm going to do. In this case, it's a tool measurement routine that I created. So hit restart, hit cycle start, and there's an MO that'll say, hey, ready to check the tool length. So just hit play. It's going to wrap it around. And it's going to come down and measure the tool when it touches this normally open switch. Make sure I have it hit right. Come do a nice slow measurement. Alright, let's see what length I got. 1.138. That looks about right. So we'll move on. Okay, now I'm going to use my probe to find the center in X and Y on this material. I'm going to use my same cheat sheet. Routines 8 and 9 is what I use to measure the middle in X and in Y. These are just some routines that I created, so nothing too fancy. And you can see there's the code I'm going to run. To do that, I'm going to M0 in the middle in case anything goes terribly wrong on the first measurement. So reset, hit start, and see what happens. I got it on a single. Let's do a full play. Do X. Up. We're going to wrap it down. So that's the dead middle. I'll set the offset based on that location and run my part. And that's it. Offset's loaded. I set the tool, the Z to the top of the part using the tool, and we're ready to play the extra program. And thanks for watching.